Welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder and CEO to Morrocco Method International. We're going to go through a Q&A today, and these are really great questions. Keep them coming in. See comments below. Just keep sending your questions in. So here's another question coming in from Stanley. Stanley's asking, hi, I want to ask about massaging with the scalp massager. On my front hairline, there are very small hairs where I have lost hair. In other words, you're having new hair growth coming in, which is really great news. And Stanley's asking, would the scalp massager tear these hairs off? Should I avoid this area until it fully grows hair back? No, I highly recommend using the scalp massager. Place it down and just massage lightly or medium pressure, because it needs the air and the blood circulation. So even for the new hairs especially, they need a lot of blood and air circulation and growth stimulation. Use the scalp massager on the whole head, even on the new small hairs. And those small hairs, by the way, Stanley, that are showing in your hairline are going through the whole top of your head. So congratulations. Stanley has another question. He's going on to ask, also, I want to start using the elixirs again. Which set is the most potent? Well, we have the 4 series, which is medium. Then we have the gold and silver, which is the beginning series. I would say the tri-series, the red, yellow, and green, is the most potent, Stanley. So watch our videos. We have lots of videos on our elixirs. They will explain what's going on with the tri-series, how to use them, when to use them, and use them in great health. Thank you. Here's a question coming in from Tracy. Tracy's asking, can you talk to us more about nutrition and hair? I'm not sure about supplements, like taking collagen for my hair, skin, and nails. All my food is bought from the local farmers, so I highly encourage everyone to eat what's produced locally where you live and what's in season. This is by far the most nutritious supplements that you can possibly take. I take vitamin C, natural vitamin C's, rose hips, but otherwise no other vitamins. All of my nutrition, vitamins, all out of my food. I love my local farmers. They get up 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, pick our food, bring it to the market, set it up, and you're getting the most natural, fresh, ripe food imaginable. Fruit is in season right now. It's wonderful coming into the stone fruit. Just Google, where's your local farmers markets? Support them, they support us. And if you're in a city or in a place or out of season, then find your local health food stores. Let's keep our health at its highest point, eating the most precious picked food and fruits picked daily. Thank you. Okay, here's a question coming in from Laura. Laura's asking, I've been using Morrocco Method products for a year. My hair is growing and soft. Well, that sounds wonderful, Laura, but I'm still having some problems with frizz. I have curly, slightly coarse hair, and it also gets weighted down easily. What is the best products I should use to tame the frizz? Well, I would suggest Blood of the Dragon, one of my favorite styling products, and it's nice and soft in itself. Just put, after you shampoo or anytime, even on dry hair, wet hair, just take our Blood of the Dragon styling, rub it through all the hair, let it sit there till it dries, doesn't take that long, and then brush it out. That should take care of taming down the frizz quite a bit. Also, I've had a lot of clients, same situation you're in with frizzy hair, is basically using our Euro organic oil on the ends. So not a lot. So if you're weighted down, you don't want to put a lot of oil into your hair. But if you just get the Euro organic oil and just put a couple drops on the ends and then brush them out. I rub a couple of drops in my hands and just tap it into the top of the hair and then brush back and forth. That'll help with the frizz also. Okay, here's a question coming in from Kay. Kay's asking, if I forgot to cut my hair on my hair goal for a certain month, what is the best course of action? So Kay's asking, like, in other words, for the last month, she just didn't cut her hair, she skipped it. Let's say that you're doing 2 or 3 different elements and you're doing strengthening, root work, and lengthening, and you forgot to do lengthening. Well, the very next month, do the lengthening, then go back into your routine. So whatever you forgot to do the following month, just add that in. So depending if you're rotating on 2 elements or 3, some people do 4, some people do all 5. Or you can just skip it and continue your regime, and it'll eventually come back into harmony. You won't do any harm by missing one of your elements during your regime. But if you do, you can certainly the very following month bring that particular one back in and then continue. All right, Kay, thanks for your question. Okay, so we have another question here from Katya. Katya is asking, I purchased the starter pack, but it's taking me longer than expected to figure it out. Well, we have videos on our starter packages. Please go to YouTube, take a look at the videos. They explain each and every product. I strongly recommend that every time you do one product, that you watch a video. So today, I'm going to use, say, C shampoo. So I don't watch all the videos today. I just go to C shampoo. I watch that video, and I shampoo with C shampoo. She's also asking, the shampoo is like toothpaste on my head, and it doesn't spread. So we basically tell everyone that we're super concentrated. Our shampoos are equivalent to 3 times anybody else's shampoos because they're so concentrated. So you can actually bring in about 50% water. So take some shampoo, put it into a jar, a bottle, and then add about 50% water and shake it up. And that should be easier to spread on the hair. And it still does the job 100%. Our educational videos are there for each and every product because they're very, very educational. It's an educational system. It's a methodology. And all of these are like spokes in a wheel, conditioners, shampoos, styling products, our brushing, our scalp massaging, our elixir series, our henna. All of them are spokes in a wheel. So let's get really natural for luxurious hair. Thank you.